It is hard to recover after a fire in your home. That's why ServiceMaster Restore is here to help you and your family get your home back to normal. Let's discuss a rundown of plans that we provide to help restore your home or your business. During the pack-out service, we will inventory, pack, and safely transport your belongings to a secure, climate-controlled location for cleaning and restoration. During the emergency services, we will address the situation at hand. ServiceMaster Restore offers odor control services so that you're able to live comfortably in your home again. We use equipment and techniques such as air scrubbers that clean the air for safe breathing and thermal fogging, which uses a strong deodorizer to neutralize odors that may remain after cleaning. We'll also restore your damaged clothing, furniture, closets, ceiling, and walls. We'll ensure that your needs are met throughout the entire performance of our services. If disaster strikes, we're here to help. For more information, visit our website or give us a call. Thanks for watching.
Call ServiceMaster Restoration by Simons at 855-9-SIMONS or click on our website at ServiceMasterBySimons.com.